In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy gold on Robinhood. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or invest in assets that hold their value over time, gold is a popular choice, and Robinhood makes it accessible to just about everyone. Let's walk through the process together so you feel comfortable and confident making your first gold investment on the platform. To begin, make sure you're logged in to your Robinhood account on their website. It's always a good idea to double check that you're on the official, secure site to keep your information safe. Once you're signed in, look towards the top of your screen for the search bar. Here, you'll be entering the name or ticker symbol of the gold-related asset you want to purchase. There are several ways to invest in gold through Robinhood. For example, you can search for gold ETFs like GLD or IAU. These are exchange-traded funds that aim to match the price movements of gold itself. Alternatively, you might be interested in gold mining stocks, such as those with ticker symbols like GOLD or NM. These represent companies that are involved in the extraction of gold and can provide an indirect way to profit from gold price movements. If you're curious about digital assets, Robinhood also offers gold-backed cryptocurrencies, such as PYXG. This can be a way to invest in gold while staying within the world of crypto. After you search for and find the specific asset that interests you, simply click on it to bring up its detail page. Take a moment to review key information here, such as recent price movement, performance charts, and additional details that can help you make a more informed decision. When you're ready to proceed, look for the Trade button and click it. A couple of options will pop up and you'll want to select Buy. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the amount or the number of shares you wish to purchase. It's important to carefully consider your investment here, as this will determine how much you'll be putting into gold. The next step is to choose the type of order you want to place. Robinhood lets you choose between a market order, which buys at the current price, or a limit order, which only executes if the asset hits a price you specify. Market orders are usually filled quickly, but at whatever the prevailing price is, while limit orders give you more control over what you're willing to pay. Once you've made your selection, click Review to double check all your information. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, click Submit to finalize your purchase. And that's it. You're now a gold investor. Remember, it's wise to monitor your investment over time and stay informed about market trends. Thanks for watching and happy investing.